7 a.m. up and at 'em.
Ooh. Oh, Dad, I'm sorry. What's wrong? Did you have another nightmare?
Yeah. Mom, it's Saturday and it's 7:02. Do we really have to get up?
Yep. You heard your father. I know. Daddy's rules.
That's it. I'm not gonna take it anymore. Mom, I have a news flash for you. It's Saturday.
Yeah, I know.
This sucks. Why do we have to get up so early on a Saturday?
Ask your father. Don't say sucks, right?
The bathroom's mine! Shut up! Let me in! Open up, you little whimper! Let me in! Mom! Let me in! Wait till I get my hair done! Let me Puppy! Hi!
Okay, all right, guys. Do you have to...
Mom, look, I dreamt I had a puppy and it came
Honey. I take back almost everything I ever said about you being cold and insensitive.
through. Dad, I take back anything I ever said about you, too. Dad, I have everything I ever wanted. I owe you big time.
Why?
Daddy, can we call him Fred? My turn. No, it's my turn. I saw him for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna have him for 5 minutes. No.
We can't have a dog. We can't have a dog.
Honey, you can't show a child a puppy and then take it away 2 minutes later.
I didn't show a child a puppy. It's obviously lost. You occupy the kids. I'll run it down to the pound.
Oh, no. No way. If the owner doesn't claim it, it'll be destroyed. I'm not gonna let
If we
that.
keep it, the house will be destroyed.
Honey, it's just a dog. Millions of people have
Oh,
dogs.
no, not people like me. Dogs sniff, they lick, they chew, they drool, they scratch. Alice, they have parasites.
Oh, God, yeah.
The kids will lose interest. I'll have to take care of it. It'll grow to be enormous and it'll take over the yard. The bushes will die, the lawn will look terrible, and when the dog finally settles down, it'll die. And everybody will be so upset. We'll have to go get another puppy. The whole thing will start all over again. Do you understand?
No, honey, could you be more specific?
Alice, I really could use a little support
Okay,
here.
I'm sorry. All right. How should we handle this?
Go tell the kids.
He loves me the most. Oh, yes.
Hi, kids.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Daddy, can he sleep in my room? No, he's sleeping in my room. Dream on. Come on, I'm the oldest. He's sleeping in my room.
He's not sleeping in anyone's room. Now, just listen to me a minute. We are people here. I mean, we are goldfish people. We're ant farm people. We're not dog people.
Dad, why can't you just give us a chance? Yeah. You're always saying that we have to have responsibility. That's true.
All right, it's my decision. I mean, I've decided.
I knew it.
You better think of something to name him, because when I come home and he destroys my house, I want to know what to call him. This is temporary. This is just temporary till we find the owner.